Layers as a smart object. You are painting or applying filters directly to the pixels. After working for almost an hour, you feel that you are not happy with the results. You cannot undo the changes made to the original image. For saving the pixels, you can put them inside a container. Smart Object works like a container to an image. When you make a layer a smart object, you will be able to perform non-destructive editing to the layer. Smart objects preserve an image's source content. There are two ways to convert a layer into smart object. They are: click on the layer option in the application bar. Click on the smart objects and select Convert to Smart Object, or right-click on the layer you want to edit. From the pop-up menu, select Convert to Smart Object. A smart object icon appears in the lower right of the layer's preview thumbnail. It enables you to make unlimited changes without losing the quality of an image.